This is how to view previous sprints in Jira. From your board, you can go to Summary and click View All Work Items. You can also just go to List to view the previous sprints. And under the column Sprint, you can view the previous sprints. You can also go to Reports and click Sprint Report. And in this drop down menu, you can view the previous reports as well as their charts and status report. For instance, let's go to Dev Sprint 4 and you can view its status report as well as read its chart. So this is how to view previous sprints in Jira.